definitely just took someone in the ambulance. I'ma let you know to turn around. Alright boys, we're back in it. This is the first time we've taken this bike for a ride in a pretty long time. Okay, she a little janky. Maybe we should go downtown, see what everybody's doing. Maybe she just needs to be ran and cleaned out, you know? Because honestly, she's been sitting for quite a while. We're gonna get ready to sell her. Honestly, it's been quite a while since we rode the street bike, and if we're being honest, like, I kind of miss it. It makes me not want to sell her. Whoa! Yeah, well, she's still got some power left in her. Although, at this high of an RPM now, she's actually starting to stick a little bit. Yo! You guys headed out today?
I'm not.
No?
There's nobody.
There's no one here? Alright. What's up? Yeah. I'm cleaning her up because I'm selling her, so like I wanted to like take it out for like a spin.
Like that?
Huh? Does it come like this? With like the dent type? Yeah.
Oh, how fast it go? Like 110 on it?
Like 190.
Damn.
Yeah.
I'm bugging it.
Yeah, nah, this thing goes fast. Yo, where you at?
I'm at my house.
Alright, I'll come to your house. I'll be there in like two shakes of a lamb's tail, my brother.
Nah, don't do that. Be safe.
Alright, peace. Damn, squirrel. This bike sure is a lot of fun. The 2016 Ninja, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. She's an absolute beaut. What's going on here? Damn! He's cheesing, he loves it. It does what?
Fog.
Oh yeah, and your eyes are because you're going fast. I put it up for 8. I have like a bunch of offers for 7. One guy wants, yeah, one guy wants 8. Damn, calm down there. Whoa! What the hell? Oh! You said your BMW is no better than a Toyota?
No.
What, do you hate it already? Oh. Yeah, there we go. Ah, this is nice though. We're just riding the fuel out, riding with the boys. I assume he's going to the liquor store. Oh, AutoZone? Where are you going? O'Reilly's? Right in the front. I got the tiniest amount of trunk space that exists. Where are my keys? Bro, imagine I just lost my keys. Bro, what the f? What? Oh. Bro, I left it with the seat thing with you, showing you my seat space. I left it in my seat container.
Grab something, bro. What you say?
I need a drink, like I am thirsty, I'm dying. What's going, Chief? Could I get a bottle of Martin as well?
Big one?
Yeah, the big one. Thanks, Chief. You just had me spend $65 on a bottle.
25 bucks.
So you said $17.38.
No, that's too big, bro.
That's too big? No.
Yeah, bro.
It wasn't even for me.
That's a big ass bottle.
It's like,
You're gonna be fucked up already.
do you want to switch? That thing looking spiffy, honestly. Part of me doesn't even want to sell that bitch. Oh. Scooter gang, baby! I need gas? Yeah. Good, honestly. Oh, nice. Okay, let's actually go somewhere. We look like f***ing idiots bouncing up and down on the f***ing thing. Oh, there we go. Okay. Almost. What? Oh yeah. Oh damn, this thing actually is struggling up the hill. She's going 38, 39, she's climbing, but we've got her pinned out the whole time. It's a good thing this isn't an electric bike. It still is not able to catch the ZX-6R. It is going, he's able to weave in and out of traffic. He's going, slamming in and out. It's time. I'm going, I've had it pinned the whole time. We just hit 45. Yo, we're out. It's night. It's a beauty. Yup. You too. Have a good night, brother.
Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss.
There's no more bog at all.
I know.
I think it's all gone. Oh, damn. There's a whole crew here.
Tell me that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence. I think I'm the man. We don't give a f. That's what they don't understand.
Damn, we got everybody out here.
Season I broke records while loose leaf and I'm coming down my roof leaving. Don't give a f. I don't care.
This is what I love. Just a whole f***ing group out. What the helly? I got that skelly, got that skelly, got that head the f***ing skelly. Ah!
In the discussion, what the feelings I throw on my pay on percussion. The disgusting. I hear them bragging about that they did and they do not move.
Different day, different bike.
It's just dangling by a thread.
Oh, let me pull over. Actually, I have zip ties in my bag. Uh-oh.
When I get high, I ain't looking at the clock, still falling like rock. Yeah, I'm headed to the bus, then I'm falling like yeah. I ain't looking at the clock, still falling like rock. When I get high.
There's no way they got this far ahead. There's no way that I lost the pack this easily. I don't know where to go exactly.
When I get high, I ain't looking at the clock, still falling like rock. Yeah, I'm headed to the bus, then I'm falling like yeah.
What's up? Thank you. All right. Damn, she's gonna be gone soon. Ah, my baby. But we're gonna put some gloves on. All right. So boys, this is the final ride for the 2016 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. So it doesn't have the greatest exhaust sound, you know, stock exhaust. So I enjoy the Supermoto way too much. Like, it's way too fun. I can literally just chill, put my arm on the tank, ride like this, or I can just drop a gear and disappear. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, we have a hoodie and we have a snowboarding jacket and we have gloves. Now, some interesting factoids. We actually bought a ton of new parts for it for some reason. Like, I don't know why I bought. We got a new master cylinder reservoir. We got a new rear cylinder reservoir. We got some new bar ends. We have the H2R mirrors. Whoa. Today's the day we sell the ZX-6R. Riding her one last time to make some fond memories. So we're actually gonna turn around and probably launch it the other way. It's time to do the good old-fashioned turnaround. You can't even feel it without KTRC off on this thing. Otherwise, she just slips. It just brings the hooligan out in me. Sorry, I'm a cuckoo head. You know what's crazy? We bought it at around 10K. I've only put a few thousand miles on this bike. I love it, but I got the KTM a year after I got this, and then I got the Husky a year after I got the KTM. Oh, and then I bought the YFZ 450R somewhere in between. Yeah, my boy Nathan's coming to pick it up. Just met him, seems like a pretty chill guy. Had a Kawasaki 400, so he already kind of knows what to expect. One thing I don't miss about this bike is every time you let your hand off of the throttle, boom, you get thrown forward and your balls smash into the tank. That is one thing I will not miss. I can definitely say that. I gotta squeeze my legs into her. Oh, I can't. Oh, okay. All right. Damn, he was like, you can't take a left. Man, this bike just honestly wants to go. This bike loves just going. And this thing really kicks into gear though when it wants to go. It's got really strong pull. See how quick that is? With the quickness. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not happy with this. Yeah, they definitely just took someone in an ambulance. But part of me wants to see what happened. Maybe we can see past Goober here. Oh, damn, there's a smashed car. Yeah, we're definitely turning around. Look at that thing. That thing is absolutely destroyed. I'm gonna let you know to turn around, because otherwise you are not going back this way. I wanted to just see the accident. We got to see a little bit of the accident. It was absolutely horrific. We're gonna pull over and we're gonna get a nice picture. Oh damn, yo, my plate's gonna come off again. Dude, that's hilarious. Dude, no way, and I only have one zip tie left. Dude, okay, well, we just bent the plate. Dude, what the fuck just happened? There's so much traffic all of a sudden. I'm getting a nice picture, I don't give a what it takes. You guys are good. You guys. Thanks. We only have a couple hours to clean this bad boy up. Make her presentable. I love that house, I don't know why. See, this is what a stable bike is. This is like, you can stand up on it and like, this is what this bike is. It's crazy because I don't even have to use two hands. I literally can just like put my arm on the tank like this, or I can just like put it down to the side or let it fling behind me as I just accelerate. Whoa. I think I'm gonna take the highway home. The only other bike I want is an R1M. You know, like it literally does not. Like even if I put this kickstand down and I get off and we look at it and like she's a beaut, right? Like she's a beaut, you know what I'm saying? Like an actual beaut. Ugh.
Talking on the pill talk. Wanna be like your favorite rapper, but your favorite rapper feeling real off. Made 3 pieces that's back to back like Drizzy now.
Damn, there's so much traffic this way, bro. Come on. Dude, this is why I do not ride. All right, guys. It's coming to a close. Our final ride on this. The last ride. Dude, imagine we put the like crazy accident up for the thumbnail. See, it screams, but she just doesn't have that throaty sound an exhaust would have. Our next bike is either gonna be the Stark Varg or the Ventus one, or like some type of built Suron, or it's gonna be the R1M. We've really wanted an R1M for a while. I even wanted an R1M technically when I bought this, but I got a really good deal on it. So we bought this and we rode it and then we let it sit for a little bit. Little man's having some girl issues. Definitely not the ending that we wanted, like definitely not. What? Oh, thank you. And so ends the adventures of the ZX-6R.
See her go. She's gone.
All right, boys. So that is it for today. Sub to the YouTube, all that good stuff. We will see y'all in the next one. Peace.